right, a lot has happened with the TikTok Shop affiliate program, and in this video, I'm going to go through all the updates that they've made to their policy, including what I think is going to happen in the future. So let's get right into it. All right, so if you used the loophole method, that loophole is now gone. So it's completely gone. You cannot use that method at all if you have under 5,000 followers. So the new requirements for the TikTok Shop creators and to get into the affiliate program are this. One, you have to be 18 years old. That's pretty simple. Have a minimum of 5,000 followers. That's also pretty simple. I'll talk about that in a second. Your content cannot be government, political, or anything like that. So that's also fine for most people. They're not creating political content on their pages. They have to comply with the policies. So make sure to read the policy. I will have a link to this page, by the way, down below. I know I'm trying to get this video out quick. I'll leave all the links below in the description just so you can go to this page and read through it and try and understand it. Now, here's the big one. You have to have no prior record of having e-commerce permissions revoked by TikTok Shop. So in my mind, this means if you have a page that is in the TikTok affiliate program and you have it revoked, that means you cannot create a new page and get another account in the TikTok Shop affiliate program. That is what I'm reading it as. Now, in the comments, please go to this page, read it for yourself, come back to this video and leave a comment and tell me what you think that means, because that's what I think it means. I think it means like if you have your e-commerce permissions or being associated with accounts that have e-commerce permissions revoked, you can't get another affiliate account at all, like with any of your pages, even if it's just a creator personal page, you're not going to be able to get in. So my last video, I talked about getting 5,000 followers really quick. And I posted that because I knew this was coming. I knew that they were going to start banning accounts that were doing the loophole method, meaning, and if you don't know what the loophole method is, basically you're creating a seller account in TikTok Shop, like you're creating a TikTok Shop to sell physical products on TikTok Shop yourself, and then you would link that account to a personal account with less than 5,000 followers. Usually people had less than 5,000 followers, and then that page would automatically be in the affiliate program. So then that's the way you were able to get into the affiliate program without having 5,000 followers. They got rid of that, and that's what this is. So it also says in order to retain TikTok Shop creator status, creators must ensure they continue to abide by the requirements above. So these are the requirements for sure. So if you were associated with an account that had e-commerce permissions and it was revoked, meaning you were banned, I think you're out of luck, honestly. And that's the way I'm seeing it. So now there's 3 types of creators now. So this is what they changed. So the official shop creators are the loophole method accounts. Now with the loophole method account, it says you do not have access to the product marketplace for the affiliates. So basically, this type of creator is non-existent now. That does not apply to us. So you're either going to be, in the future, you're either a marketing creator or an affiliate creator. Let's start with the affiliate creator. Affiliate creator is the people who just started a page, posted original content, and then eventually got to 5,000 followers. So you must have a minimum of 5,000 followers. And then you have to self-apply for the TikTok Shop creator program, which is the affiliate program. And this one, you do not need to create a bind with a TikTok Shop, meaning you do not need to be linked to a TikTok Shop. You just self-apply for the affiliate program. So affiliate creators are individual TikTok Shop creator accounts with access to the affiliate marketplace. That is most affiliate creators. So the people that have been on TikTok for a long time, let's say they grew it to 25,000 followers, they're just creating content about what they like, what they enjoy. Maybe it's a gardening page and an outdoors page or something. And then this TikTok Shop affiliate program became available. Then they self-applied for it and they were approved for it because they had a minimum of 5,000 followers. And now they're just in the TikTok Shop affiliate program and they can have access to the marketplace. So that's ideally what you want. But here's the other option. You can be a marketing creator. Now, a marketing creator is a little different. You must have a minimum of 5,000 followers, obviously. Now, that is fine because we can use advertising. We can create some posts over the course of, a week or two, and then we can create a post that we promote with an ad. We can get 5,000 followers with between $300 and $600-ish, something like that. So once you have 5,000 followers, you can actually, instead of self-applying like a affiliate creator self-applies, you can be invited to a creator bind by a TikTok Shop. So in my understanding of this, is if I go into my seller account, and I'll show you here in a second, and actually I don't think I'm going to show you the back end of the seller account because I don't know if that's against TOS or not, but basically if you go into your seller account dashboard, if you click on your username at the top right and then go to linked accounts, there's going to be 2 different types of accounts. There's going to be an official account, and then there's a tab for marketing account, and this is the marketing account that you can do. So the marketing creator account, that's what you can hook your personal page into your TikTok Shop, and the name of the creator does not need to be the same, but you must have a minimum of 5,000 followers. So I think those are the only 2 options. I think affiliate creator accounts are going to be harder to get into than marketing accounts. I think, and I don't have proof of this, that you can get 5,000 followers pretty quickly with ads, and then you can be invited by a TikTok shop to be a marketing creator for them, and you will still have access to the TikTok shop, and you will have access to the affiliate product marketplace. So you do not need to own the TikTok shop. You could actually, if you know somebody that has a TikTok shop, once you have 5,000 followers, you can just say, hey, can I be a marketing creator for your TikTok shop? They can go in the back end, click on marketing creator, and add you as a marketing creator on their TikTok shop. Now, I haven't done this yet, but I think you would be automatically approved for the affiliate program if you did a marketing creator account. Now, with an affiliate creator account, I think that's going to be a little harder because, one, you're going to have original content. You're going to have to post content a lot. It's probably going to have to be a seasoned account, meaning probably more than a month or two old. You're going to have to engage with that account. I think with a marketing creator account, you can literally create an account, post like 5 posts in a day, promote one of those posts, get to 5,000 followers really quickly, and then be invited by a TikTok shop creator as a marketing creator and be in the program in a few days. So this is the email that I got from TikTok shop yesterday, which was May 2nd. And here's what they did to their updates. And one of them was the creator eligibility policy. The big thing here, the big word that I see here, that I think a lot of you are waiting to hear some good news. It says our creator eligibility policy does not allow new official shop creators to access our product affiliate marketplace. So if you created a official shop creator like I did back in February, I believe we're okay. So I think it's more of we're kind of grandfathered in. And if you don't have any violations, I think you're good to go. Like, at least for now. I mean, the one word is new official shop creators. So I think we're okay. Again, I do not know to the extent of this. The only thing that really has me worried, this is the major thing that I'm worried about, is you have to have no prior record of having e-commerce permissions revoked by TikTok shop or being associated with accounts that have e-commerce permissions revoked. If you don't know the person who owns the TikTok shop, that's not a good thing, because if they get their e-commerce permissions revoked, that's on you too. So if you're a marketing creator and you don't know the person running the TikTok shop, they get a violation, you're going to get a violation, you're going to be gone from the affiliate program forever. Like, you're not going to be able to get any account back. Even if you try to get a new phone with a new phone number, go to a different cell phone service provider, all that stuff, you're still going to have to confirm your ID. So if you have a girlfriend, a wife, brother, sister, talk to them, because if you're making a lot of money with this program, like a lot of us are, you want to stay in this program for as long as possible. So you may have to use their account. You may have to use your wife's phone. You may have to use your brother's phone, sister's phone, parents' phone, whoever, friend's phone to do all this work and have their ID verified and all that stuff. So I think the affiliate program is very, very risky. This whole program is the riskiest thing I have ever seen online. If you don't know who I am, I've been selling online since 2004. First time I got banned from something was eBay in 2006, I think it was, because I was selling information. I was selling a downloadable like PDF, an ebook basically, and they didn't allow digital downloads at the time. But for like a year and a half in college, I sold like $200 to $300 a week worth of books on eBay until I got banned. So I've been banned from every single platform that I've ever been on. Everything from Facebook ads specifically. Amazon took my income away multiple times. Google took my income away multiple times. TikTok's going to do it for sure. That's just inevitable. I don't want to make this video too long. It's already probably really, really long, but I just wanted to get this video out there. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments. And again, I'll leave all the links to this stuff below in the description. We'll see you guys later.